Wait. I think they can see you, but they can't hear you. Okay, not scuffed. It worked.
Yay! Awesome!
Yeah! I think it works. Let me check.
It worked.
Can you hear Ollie chat?
Hello, boobs, breast, opay, tits, butts, ass.
Yippee! I think, yeah, because I think they're just saying... Yeah, I don't know. Hi, undead girl, is what they said. Oh, they said fine. Okay, good. They
Which
said opay.
one? Which one?
If we had a duo, what name would you give us?
The undead duo. Are we not?
Are we the undead duo? You don't want to name it like Molly, like the bomb?
Let's go! Girly, we just started.
Like,
Tunggu, masuk matematikanya aja belum. Bentar.
undead duo, yeah! Like the double dead duo, the triple D.
Yeah, the triple D. That's nice.
Oh, that's so
DDD.
true. It's big boob and triple D.
Yeah.
We're so good. Oh my god. Welcome to our collab chat. Today we are welcome back something breast friends.
Breast friends. Yes.
Yeah! Today we're learning math! Yeah!
Yeah.
Chat, everyone has said that someone in chat just fucking said, okay, I don't know if I can read it. Brain dead. Why?
Huh?
Why? Someone in chat just said brain dead as a dual
But
name.
we're
Because
not
you're brain
dead.
and I am dead. Thanks, chat. Thanks a lot.
Nggak boleh kayak gitu because that is not inclusive. Are you guys saying that I'm not dead also? Oh
my God.
Cancel.
Wait, they're not gonna ask if they don't think I have a brain? What the Thanks. Oh my god, Queen, so true. Today, chat has said that I am stupid, right? So many people said, Mika, you're kind of dumb. You know, intelligence, not that good. But I will prove to you that today I am really, really smart because we're gonna be learning about polynomials and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah! I told Ollie not to hold back.
Yeah. And guys, just before the stream, like we have this one word kind of ini kan apa kayak kecoret gitu. Yeah, this one Mika was asking me about it and she was like, "Oh, what's a polynomial?" And so I showed her like an example. I gave her like this. And then after I gave her this, she instantly got binomials and trinomials right.
Exactly. I am so smart. Listen, chat. That 2y2 is the monomials because it's one. But binomials means there are two. Wait, but that doesn't make sense because you're at 2y, which means there is two. Is that binomials?
No. Jadi ini tuh kayak satu suku kata gitu loh. Kalau binomial itu dua suku kata, which means like let's say we have 2y eksponen 2 gitu. Apa sih ini namanya kuadrat bahasa Inggrisnya aku lupa. And then you have like plus 1. Nah, plus 1 ini kayak suku yang berbeda kan. It's like a different kind of product.
Let's go.
Hence it's bi because there's two.
Oh!
Yeah.
Can you explain that again but with easier languages?
So basically, kalau ada dua angka yang berbeda, ya udah itu binomial. Kalau ada 3 angka yang berbeda, kayak contohnya, like this, then this is trinomial because there's like 3 suku yang berbeda.
If there are 3 things,
Name your duo, Michael Jackson's
It's a
Thriller.
trinomial.
oh, it doesn't matter if it has an x because
Doesn't matter.
it just counts as a nomial.
Yes.
So polynomial is 4 of those, right?
Poly itu kan banyak kan ya. Jadi it's just like
poly's a lot.
the many
Madison donated 5
shapes
Canadian
of
dollars through
binomials
Super
gitu.
Chat. Mika, we know you're bad
I
at
totally understand
geography,
this.
cooking,
Easy.
and common sense.
Easy,
Forgive us
guys.
if we take your skills in maths
Yeah,
with a
and today
pound of
we'll be
salt.
learning addition, subtraction, multiplication,
I can do
and
that.
factorization.
I can do that.
It's easy.
It's so easy. You're so right.
Yeah.
All right, chat. Are you ready? I'm gonna prove to you that brain fried. No, chat. I totally understood everything she just said. That made so much sense. You don't get it? Like maybe some of you don't get it because she also explained in Indo. But I'm so smart. I can understand everything. I totally
Yeah.
understand all the suku something. It's so good. It's so good. We're gonna
It's
be
so good.
learning.
See? I mean, you bisa ngerti 2 bahasa aja, that's already like big brain gak sih?
Exactly. Gimana lagi
Yeah.
chat? Gue tuh pintar sebenarnya. Cuman pura-pura. Gue tuh pura-pura tolol buat stream kan lucu gitu.
Alright. Kalau gitu, kita mulai dari addition dulu kali ya.
Okay.
Okay,
I
so
can do this.
addition between 2 binomials.
Oh, you don't mean like normal addition?
No. No. Why would I
Oh.
give you normal addition?
Okay, I can do that. I can do that.
Nih. How do you do this?
Let's go.
Okay, I can do this. So, first you remove the the brackets, and then that way you get like 2x plus 5. Does that make sense?
Bener, cuman kalau gitu kita ganti soalnya ya. This is right. This is right. Okay, this is right. But just so that you get the next one, we're going to do like a quick subtraction here.
I just erased her. I just erased her brackets, and she's like, "Yeah, you know what? True."
Nih, now try doing a subtraction here.
Okay, I can do that. Can I? We remove the brackets, and then it becomes 0x minus 1. That's it. Maybe I don't have to. I don't. Maybe I don't have to write 0x. Is it just minus 1? Is that how it works?
Yes, but no. Jadi, you're nearly there. So, yang salah itu di sini nih. Ini kita balik lagi ke addition lagi ya.
Okay.
So, when we have like 2 binomials and we want to do additions to them, what you do, yes, you do remove the brackets, but only after you multiply this with these 2.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I understand.
Jadi tadi jawabannya udah bener kan? So, next time you want to do a subtraction, like let's say, kayak gini, you have to multiply this with these.
Okay.
Gitu. Jadi gak bisa langsung diilangin gitu. Mereka harus dikali sama minus atau plusnya gitu.
I understand this one. I'm actually so smart. So, if that's the case, then it becomes x plus 3 minus... If I multiply it, the brackets open, right?
Yeah. When you multiply
Okay.
it, the brackets open.
Becomes x minus 2.
Nice.
What happens when a
Packworth screamed
minus
for
gets
$3.
multiplied by a minus?
Well, we had a good run. Good
Plus?
try, Mika.
Yes.
Ah, shit! Okay, I knew that, chat. I just, like, I was not sure. I was not very sure. Okay?
Yeah, she was doing that for entertainment.
Ah, so true. True. So that way... So I multiply with this one as well. No, just the back.
No, just the back. Soalnya, whatever is yang ada di depan the brackets, you just multiply it with the brackets yang di belakang, not with the front one.
Okay, so that means the answer is 0x minus 1. Plus 1. Right?
Yeah. You don't need to write down the X.
Oh, it's just true. Sorry.
Nice.
So
Yeah,
just
yeah, yeah.
plus 1.
Madison donated $5 Canadian through Super Chat.
Oh, plus 1.
We might
tunggu.
need to start
Wait, ini kan
somewhere
3.
easier.
Oh,
Perhaps
sini kan
jadi
the
5.
ABCs.
Oh, the answer's
So it's
5.
5.
Okay, I saw wrong. I'm using a little tracking pad. Okay, my eyes. It's a color. I'm colorblind.
Exercised it.
Oh, my OBS crashed for like 3 seconds.
Oh shoot, you okay?
Yeah, chat. I thought so hard. My OBS crashed. I think it's back now.
Oh dear.
Dude, my brain is. I have not used it in a while. Okay, let's be
It's
so for
okay,
real.
you're good. Now what
What
I
the
want you to
fuck
do
is
with
that?
this one is enggak. Ini bukan simbol apa-apa. I want you to like do an addition and a subtraction for this and this. Jadi ini kalau ditambah jadi apa, kalau kurang jadi apa.
Ah, okay. So, if plus, I can just remove the bracket, which means
Yeah.
3x.
Because
Minus.
Packwolf screamed for $3.
Ooh.
Crashed.
yeah.
For sure didn't
Oh, nice.
ask Ollie for the answer XD.
Nice. For sure. Didn't ask Ollie for the answer. Shut the fuck up, Packwolf. They said I purposely crashed the stream so I can cheat. One second. Let me just Google this, chat. It'll work. If it's a minus, then it's gonna be the x.
Mm-hmm.
I have to do it like this so I can focus. Minus 8. Ah! Easy!
Yeah. See, it's really easy.
Where's my Kumon 100? It's so good! I know
It's
that.
that simple.
Smartest, biggest brain in Niji right here. That's so true, chat. Thank you. Thank you. I know.
Nah, sekarang we're going to go through multiplication.
Easy. I understand.
Easy.
This is so good. Yeah, my Kumon 100. Like, are we gonna keep this man that just says wow?
Do you want to get rid of him or do you want him to stay?
Do you want chat to vote? Chat, do you want to keep the guy on the screen or should we remove the guy on the screen? So, one person chat said stay. One person.
One person.
Keep. Remove. Keep him. Keep. Stay. Okay, a lot of... Best boy. Perish it. Alright, more people say stay, so I guess we have to keep him. He's
I
important.
guess we'll keep him. You gotta name him though.
What do we name him?
You name him.
What is your viewer's name?
Zomreds.
Okay, if I mix Zomreds and Malaticult. I'm so good at names. Zomcult? Oh, I can go like Zommicult.
Oh,
Zomicult.
Zomicult.
Right? Yeah, Zomcult.
Are you trying to say that all of our viewers, they look like this? Is that what you're implying right
That
now?
means they're beautiful. It's a good thing.
Oh.
Right? Look, chat, it's you! You drew you!
Yeah! So slay!
Yes, queen, you look so gorgeous. That one is me! One person in chat just claimed them. We're so good.
Can't even say anything.
Why?
I don't know.
It's okay, they're beautiful.
They're beautiful.
You're
Awesome.
so beautiful. Alright, now we will multiply.
Now we will move to multiply. Okay, jadi kayak if I write down, let's say apa ya? Plus 2. How do you do it?
Do we have to have this the two, what's it called?
The exponents?
Is that what it's called?
Exponent?
The
Yeah.
mini two?
Yeah. The quadrat, right?
How do I multiply the exponents.
Okay. But kalau gitu, let's start easy first.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back to...
I knew how to do it,
Um,
chat. I'm just asking for you guys.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Okay, kalau kayak gini, how do you do it?
Okay, I can do this. So,
Mm.
you just multiply it.
How?
4 times 5 is 20.
Yeah.
And okay, here's gonna be my brain, chat. Listen, it's gonna be so smart. So 4 times 5 is 20, which means 20 is in the answer somewhere, right? And then you're like, okay, it can't be that easy. Because if you multiply x with x, that just means there are 2x, right? But it can't be that fucking easy. Because that's just too easy. But 2x must exist somewhere. Wait, no. X multiplied by x. X multiplied by x is x squared, right?
Yeah!
There you go. So x squared must be in it somewhere. And then, but it can't just be 2x plus 20 because that is way too easy. Which means you have to multiply everything with everything. Which means 5x has to exist somewhere. And then 4x has to exist somewhere. And then, because everything is a plus and there's no minus, if you multiply plus with plus, everything is just gonna be plus. So eventually, you just have to add everything up and then you'll get this. Because you used a... I'm right! Chat! Math is literally common sense. I'm so smart.
Mika, I gotta
Bro.
tell you, you got the answer right. It's just that the way that you're doing it is very questionable. Why are you doing it this? Kenapa kayak gini?
Is it actually right though?
It is right. You have to write it like this though. Jadi tergantung kuadratnya itu yang paling gede yang mana, terus habis itu you go by that order. Soalnya kalau x yang ini kan it's basically this, right? And this is like x-less, right? So it's at the very end. This is how you write it down.
Dude, I'm telling you, chat. Math is just, as long as you use every number on the question, you'll eventually get the answer. And if it's multiply, just use all of the numbers, 5-head. Ah! It's so good! I can't believe I got that right!
You got that. Tunggu. But you gotta learn the right way here.
Okay, so just do that and then you clean it up. You clean it up. So make sure the thing with it has something weird, it's probably in the front. And then the more to the right, the more normal it looks. Think about it. It's so good. I can do this. All right, give me the hard one. I can handle it now.
No, wait, ini kamu harus tahu dulu ini caranya gimana. I'm worried. Like, what happens? Nih.
Okay.
So I don't want you to be overly proud just because you got it right. Because what happens if this is actually, bilang aja, ini 8, ini -4. What then?
Okay, I can try this, alright? So, we apply the same thing, x squared in the front, and then there are numbers. Your thing is covering it, but I think it was a 4. Was it not a 4? Yeah, it's a
sorry.
Okay, so it has something to do with the number 8 and the number 4, which 8 multiplied by 4, 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, Wait, what? 16?
It's 32.
I knew that. Okay, 32 is the normal number. You put it on the end.
Nice.
Right? And then you apply the same mental. There will be 8x and then 4x. And now, because there's a minus, you have to wing it. Right? Because if you multiply plus and minus, it becomes a minus. So, with that in mind, everything is a minus. Because you can't just plus everything. Because every plus multiplied by minus is minus. So it's minus, minus, minus. Which is x squared minus 4x minus 32.
Lady, you are right for all the wrong reasons.
I'm telling you, chat! It works! Every plus multiplied by any minus becomes a minus.
Tuhan, bantu saya Tuhan. Kasih aku kesabaran ya Tuhan. I can't.
It's correct.
It is, but for the wrong reasons, lady.
Someone chat again.
Oh no. Mika!
Why? By the way, if the OBS crashed, okay, I'm not streaming through a computer. I'm streaming through my brain cells. So if it crashed, my brain cells probably died for 3 seconds. I felt so proud too. Fuck chat. What?
See, maybe the OBS is telling you that you're doing it wrong.
Okay, explain why it is not minus.
Okay, jadi gini. What you do when you see multiplication, what you want to do is you want to multiply everything, which is true. You're doing it right.
True,
Tapi
true.
pertama, what you want to do is that ini kan ada X. X multiply with X ini. Terus habis itu X multiply with ini. After you have that, you're going to multiply 8 with this. And then multiply this with this. Have you ever seen this before?
I think.
Yeah, let's do it together slowly, okay?
She's like,
Jadi
have you
what
seen this? Yesn't. Good,
Nih,
good.
jadi ya Tuhan, kasih aku kekuatan. Okay. Jadi
Tries
the laws
screamed
of
for
math is that
$3.
whatever you
To be
do,
fair towards Mika,
if
it's
you already
commonly
have
said that
like
there is no
the
one
formula done, all
solution
you
to
need to
math
do is you
problems.
add
So
everything
Mika
from the
somehow using
left.
part of
Jadi
her
we're going to
brain where
start from the
numbers are
left,
numbers
right?
and letters are useless.
X
She's
kali
right in
X
some
jadinya
sense.
apa?
X.
X
Ooh,
kuadrat.
yes.
It's not X2, it's X square.
X square. True, true.
And then kalau kita udah dapet ini, we're going to multiply X with 4. With minus 4 actually. So it becomes, right? Kan? Do you understand from sampai sini?
Yes, yes. Because plus multiplied by minus is minus.
Yeah.
True.
And then after that, you're going to multiply. Kan ini X dia udah ketemu sama everyone over here, right?
Yes.
So next is going to be 8's turn. 8 will have to like meet up with them. But only after X gitu. Jadi 8 kali X sama dengan
8x.
8X. Terus plus 8 dikali sama minus 4 jadinya
Oh, because 8 and x are both plus. So
Yeah.
it becomes plus. I see.
it becomes this.
I see. Okay.
Gitu.
I love how she had to be like, so you see, x and 8 are okay. So 8x and 8, x has to meet up with the other group first, and then 8 becomes lonely, and then they follow after, and then you make it into a sentence.
Yes.
I understand now.
Yeah!
I understand.
Awesome!
Okay, good.
Yippee! Kalau gitu, I'm going to give you a little ini ya, exercise. I'm going to give you like the first one.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens if you have
So ready.
dikali sama tadi dikali sama apa deh? 2x kuadrat ya. Minus 1. Okay, try to multiply these two binomials.
Okay, so. Okay, you know what? We will wing this. So 5x squared meets up with the other group. And then we'll do the one I actually know. This becomes minus 5x squared. We will skip the first one first. And then it will be plus 4x squared. And then it will become minus 2. And then
Terus yang di depan?
5x squared multiplied by 2x squared.
Okay,
no. Wait, actually, I can do this. Believe me. 10. 10.
Yeah.
X. X.
Almost there.
Square.
Why is this square an X? Itu kenapa?
No.
Itu eksponennya kenapa X square?
Wait. Square.
Okay, Mika, quick lesson. A quick lesson. What happens if X... bukan. How about this? X kalau dikali sama X jadi apa?
X square.
Jadi X square kan?
Yes.
What if X square dikali sama X lagi?
Like a face. What? Oh, X square multiplied by X.
Yeah.
X 2X square.
It becomes... Atau nggak gini. 5 kali 5 sama dengan berapa?
25.
25. Oh, sorry. Nah, terus 25 dikali sama 5 berapa?
Girl. $125.
Okay, now 125 itu
Girl, if you
sama
multiply it by
dengan-
5 again, I will kill you.
Enggak. So, this equals what? 125 itu equals what? If you want to simplify it. It equals 5 times 5 times 5, right?
Ah, okay. You made me so confused. I was like, 125 is equal, and I'm like, I don't know. What
So,
the fuck?
so it equals 5 times 5 times 5, right?
5
times 5 itu sama aja dengan 5 kuadrat kan?
Yes.
So that means kalau 5-nya 3 kali itu jadi apa?
3. 3.
Yeah, cubic.
Cubed.
Yeah, it becomes this.
5 cubed.
Yeah,
Okay.
right?
Okay, makes sense.
So, with that logic in mind, kalau x kuadrat dikali sama x jadi apa?
Wait, okay. If with the n, okay, 5. X is 5. 5 x 3.
Yeah.
Okay, you just multiply. Okay. So that
Tinggal
means
ditambah aja eksponennya.
so it becomes 10x 4. Like that?
Yeah.
Dude, easy.
There you go.
Mika, you're a genius. Thank you. One person in chat. Thank you, that one guy in chat. I will let myself get one guy today. True. I understand. So, if you multiply the small 2's, like if there's a small number and you multiply it, it just pluses it. Easy. Okay.
Gampang kan?
Gampang.
Yeah.
Gampang. Good.
Good. Now, itu hasil akhirnya jadi apa? You gotta simplify it.
Oh, I can do this. 10x 4 minus x squared. Right?
Yeah. Almost there.
Oh shit. My handwriting's so bad. I thought that number 1 was an arrow. I was like, what is that symbol that I wrote? That's 1. Okay, -1.
But isn't that supposed to be -2?
My handwriting is that bad? Oh, 2, you're right. I need to get a better... It's my pen tablet, chat. I have a bad pen tablet, okay? I can barely read my own things sometimes. There. -2.
Yeah!
Good.
You understand now?
I do.
Awesome. Kalau gitu, I'm going to give you an exercise. And this is going to be a little different, just a little bit, okay?
I understanding. I know how to do like x square stuff like that, but I didn't know the rules of it. So I've always just been like, all numbers on the board, just add them 5 head, and it's always right. I don't know how to tell you. Sometimes I get it wrong, but sometimes I get it right, and that's a 50-50% chance. And if the passing grade is 50%, you win. Think about it, chat. It's not about winning to get 100. It's about passing. Why do I have to make this so... Why do I have to add more numbers?
Nih, nah kalau kayak gini, what do you do? This is multiplication, by the way.
Okay, you do the same thing. And you go like this.
I'm so proud!
Yeah! Okay.
Now do
3
it.
times 7. 14... 21.
Yes.
21x...
Kubik.
B. Where was I? Okay. And then like this. Yes. And then minus 30x square. And then minus 28 x square. And then minus 40x and then plus, where was I? 8? 8 times 7. 8 times 7.
56.
56. And then minus 80. And then I simplify it. I was waiting for it to be quiet because I'm like, okay, I'm not done. If she's quiet, that means I'm not done. X3. Shit. Minus. Oh, minus is plus. So 58x square minus 40x. Fucking minus 36. 26. 26.
It's supposed to be 24, gak sih?
Oh yeah. Yeah. You're right. Yes. 24. Right?
Yeah!
Nice. I'm so... It's this.
So now you understand, right?
Someone chat said I forgot an X. Where?
Huh? Ano? Bentar. Let me...
It's at least the method's right. It's the thought that counts. You know what I mean? 5x. It's supposed to be 50. It's
Enggak, ini
56.
this is yang 56x ini seharusnya x. Soalnya it's 7x, right?
Okay. Oops.
Yeah, jadi tadi salah deng. Sorry. I wasn't paying attention also. Sorry.
She's like, honestly, this is so dumb. My brain hurts. Okay, 15. 16 minus 80. Easy.
There we go.
It's the thought that counts. Okay, the moment there's like more than 2 numbers, I lag a little bit. But at least you get it.
Yeah.
If you failed the math, why would you not graduate? I'm getting my certificate, chat. Let me live. This is how we're gonna do it.
Great, chat.
I'm putting the work. I'm putting the effort. I'm putting in the time. I'll be the smartest one after this. Watch chat. Wrong still.
Yeah,
Shut up, chat. It's right. You know what? Just it's right. Just fuck it.
Nah. Terus, here's a question for you.
Okay.
If there's...
I'm focusing so hard. You don't even understand. I can feel my brain whiz.
Kalau ada kayak gini, what do you do? I like how your
PEMDAS.
eyes just widen.
PEMDAS. Ya nggak sih? So, what is PEMDAS? Plus, okay, divide first and then multiply and then minus and then plus. But if everything is multiply, then you're fucked. Okay. I'll win
Remember,
this.
whatever you do, always try from the brackets first. Selalu dari brackets dulu, sayang.
So I go like this still?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So try
minus
it.
2 and then x square and then plus 2x and then minus x minus 2. And then that's
Wait.
the answer.
Wait just a moment. No, that's not how you do it, darling. Gini nih. So, kalau kamu ketemu yang kayak ginian, what you wanna do first is that you want to ignore number 2. Yang ada di depan ini kita cuekin dulu.
Okay.
So we do a normal binomial multiplication, which is x kali x, x kuadrat, plus 2x, minus x, minus 2. Once you already have this, baru you multiply the 2 with the others.
Oh, okay. So do
Gitu.
brackets first and then do everything outside of the brackets later.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do I have to multiply it?
Well, you gotta multiply it. Kan I already showed you how, so you gotta finish it now.
2x. Suddenly I have this overwhelming urge to poop. 4x. I'm kidding. Plus 2x. Plus 4. 2x square. Oh, minus 2x square. Minus 2x plus 4. Bang.
There you go.
Nice. Suddenly I need. Maybe this whole time I'm constipated because I don't think. The moment I'm thinking, suddenly my metabolism's like whirring. I know I don't need to poop, but like now I'm like, maybe I should poop, but I don't want to poop.
Are you sure you don't want to poop? I can wait.
No, because the moment I go to the toilet, I know I'm not gonna poop because then I stop thinking. I should do math on the toilet. Maybe I should be like, hey Ollie, I need to shit. I haven't shat in like 2 weeks. Can you send me math questions to think about on the toilet?
Dude, what?
I know them because like right now I'm talking to you. I'm not thinking about math. I don't need to poop. Like I don't need to poop anymore. But the moment I thought about it, I was like, oh shit, now I need to shit.
Are you sure that's not just you allergic to math?
Oh my god, true. I'm allergic. I'm a little allergic, but I'll do anything for you, baby girl. Sheesh. The Kumon brand laxative.
If you'll do anything for me, does that mean you'll do factorization for me?
Yeah. Oh yeah, what the fuck does that even... Oh, you're not gonna do division? I just realized we don't have... Yeah, fuck division. I hate division.
Division is agak rada panjang ngejelasinnya. So maybe we can save this for another day.
Exactly. Who cares about... Me and my homies hate division, chat. Nothing's gonna divide us, true queen. We're gonna skip to factoring.
Yeah.
We can do this.
Spirit.
It's so easy. Alright.
Jadi dari tadi, what have we been doing? We've been simplifying binomials. Dari tadi itu kita kayak mensederhanakan binomial. Which is kayak yang tiba-tiba apa ya? Let's say yeah. Kayak contohnya yang tadi apa sih? Yang ini deh. Ini kalau kita sederhanakan jadinya kayak gini kan?
How is that one more simple though?
Huh? What do you mean?
Wait, what the... Oh, huh? That's
I
called
just-
Oh, like opening the brackets is called simplifying?
Yeah, that's called simplifying.
Oh, Okay.
menyederhanakan gitu. Apparently, this is
Okay.
what it meant gitu. Kayak dari tadi kita addition, subtraction, multiplication, semuanya itu kan kayak gini kan ya.
Yes.
Nah, so next, instead of from this becoming this, we're going to do it the other way around.
Okay.
Yeah,
I can do that.
you can do that, right? It's going to
I
be
can.
easy.
It'll be
Yang
so easy.
you actually do need to actually kind of brute force it the way you did tadi.
Wait, I think I know what you're talking about. That's the only thing I can do. That's why I told chat the one I can like 50-50 it. Okay, you know what? Give me a question. I will shock you. The result will shock you, chat.
I
can do this.
Apa ya kalau gitu? Let's
Mika
see, an
punch,
easy.
Mika succeed.
How
It will
about this?
work.
How about this?
All right, wait. Let me sit up straight for this one. 1 second. I'm just
She's getting
minutes.
ready.
I'm gonna sit up. I'm gonna take my pen tablets. I'm gonna take a sip of water. You know what they say. A certain water brand gives you more brain cells.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm ready. I'm
Okay.
ready, Mrs. Kureiji Ollie.
Yeah, we're going into the factorization. It's going to be so cool because I think you'll do really well on this one.
All right.
How do you turn these into brackets kayak tadi?
Okay. You wanna see? Oh, it's a 10. All right, let me put my glasses on. Watch this. I'm gonna. Okay. This is where the 50. Okay, listen to. This is gonna make so much sense, right, chat? You're gonna listen. This is gonna make sense, Ollie. So, x square means there are two of them, which means there is x and then there's x, right? You can assume so. And then there is the number 7 and the number 10, which means it has to be multiplied and divided somehow that makes sense. Which means it can be so many different things, right? So the easiest way is to just combine the numbers together. So you get 7e. And then, what does 70 do to make 70 look like a 70? Right? Like this, oh shit, 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. Right? I'm gonna write down my thoughts right now. 70 can be divided by so many things. Like, oh shit, like 7, 10, etc. Wait, what else? 35 to... Wait, I'm cooking.
Let her cook,
so hard.
guys. Let her cook.
What else? 20, not 20, 15. 15? 15 no, not 15. Wait. I'm cooking so hard. 5 can do it. 5. And what else? What do you... Oh, 5, 7, 1, 20, 40, 4, 14. Right? And then what else? That it'll work. We can divide, not multiply. Yeah, but this is like... Okay, if you... 70? Wait.
Darling, I wanna ask, where did you get the 70 anyways?
7 times 10. And then...
Okay, I'll let you
Yes,
cook. Okay.
I'm cooking. 5, 14... 6. No? Wait. Chat, just trust me. It's gonna be so good. You're gonna be so amazed. You're gonna be so shocked. Trust me. 9, no. 10, no. 11, 12, 13, no. 14, no. 15, 15, no. 16, 16, no. 17, 18, no. 19, no. 20, no. 25, 30, 30, no. Okay, so this is all the numbers we have. 7, 10, 35, 2, 5, and 14. Right? That way, maybe you're fucked a little bit. But that's okay. Because then we can do another thing. If this doesn't make any sense, then you're just fucked. But wait a minute. I'm cooking so hard right now. You don't understand. 7. Wait. If x multiplied by x is x squared, x, that means this is gone, which means 7 exists. Right? And where does the 10 come from? See, you don't understand where the 10 comes from. maybe it just exists, but that doesn't make sense because if let's say this is a plus, right? If 7 plus x plus 7 is already a thing, it would make sense if it's like this multiplied by x is x squared, but then 7 multiplied by something needs to be an x. So this needs to be an x. Yo, this makes so much sense. This needs to be an x, right? Because then you need to get 7x, and then you need to get another 7, and then you need to get a 10. Where the fuck did the 10 come from?
It's the equation. Ada kok.
If you have to multiply numbers together to make it the x squared minus 7 and stuff, that means you have to divide it. Let me write the x like this. Okay, I understand. So you divide everything. Okay, x divided by x is x. 7 divided by x. 10 divided by x. 7 divided by 10. And then 10 divided by 7. These are all your numbers, chat. And you have to kind of wing it. Which means x plus 7 out of 10 x is a minus. Yo, that's crazy. That is craziness. 7 out of 10. Boom.
So, maybe you brute forced it a little bit too hard.
Fuck. You're wrong.
I mean, you almost got it right. Okay, so, yuk kita mulai dari awal yuk.
Someone in chat just, what the fuck is she on about? I thought. Oh wait, what?
It's okay. Let's do this together now. Okay. So, let's say, ini kan ada. So here's some binomials, and this is what it turns into, right? It turns into, inilah whatever this is.
Yes.
Did you notice anything here? So you see, you were right about the backside. Jadi gimana ya? How do I explain this? Okay, aku ngerti. If you want to try to factorize a certain sentence, what you want to do is you want to look at the backside. Nah, dari sini kamu harus tahu kira-kira berapa kali berapa hasilnya jadi ini. Do you understand?
If I said no, will that make the situation worse or?
Don't worry, I'm here to teach you. If you don't understand, just tell me you don't understand, and I'll try to explain in a simpler way.
Okay, I think someone in chat didn't understand that. So, not me though, but someone in chat didn't understand that.
Okay, let's explain for the people in chat. Kalau gitu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I can hear my tummy be like, grrr.
Oh no.
True. Now listen, chat. She's here to teach you. You have to understand.
Nih. Jadi kalau kita pengen faktorisasikan suatu bilangan, yang pertama kali kita harus perhatikan itu adalah bagian akhirnya. The first thing that we have to pay attention to is the last nominal, right? Nah, kita kan yang terakhir ini kan 6x. Nah, pertanyaannya itu kita and then what we have to do next itu kita harus kayak kira-kira gitu loh. Berapa kali berapa bisa jadi 6x. So we have to take out all of the possibilities of what can turn into 6x. It could be -1 times 6.
Oh my god, that's what I did.
Yeah, like ini udah hampir bener, just needs a little bit more guidance, you know?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
True.
Kan ini seperti ini. Ada juga it could be 2 times minus 3 or minus 2 times 3, right?
Right, true.
Nah, dari sini all we have to do now is that kita coba aja satu-satu. Kan kamu udah bener. Bagian depannya itu udah pasti X kalau faktorisasinya seperti ini. So let's try. Kira-kira kalau ini minus 3, ini plus 2. We have to confirm if this turns into this. So when you count it out, plus 2, X min 3. Itu X. Kan udah dapat minus 6-nya. But it turns out, after we try to reconfirm it, ternyata ini jadi minus X. Berarti gak sama seperti yang ini dong. So what we have to do then is that we try the other one, which is this one.
You have to do this one by one?
Not really, makanya ini harus pakai perkiraan aja gitu.
Lu pikirin apa?
Enggak, ini harus pakai perkiraan sayang.
Harus perkiraan.
Contohnya gini. Apa the next thing that you have to do is that you have to pay attention to this one. Kan kita udah dapat semua ini. Like all of the possibilities itu kan yang ini. How do we know which one is the right one? We have to pay attention to the middle part next. So the middle part is just X, right? Dan X itu basically itu 1 kan. Jadi berapa kalau dijumlahkan itu jadinya plus 1 dan bukan minus 1 gitu.
Yang mana gue tahu?
Ya kan ada possibilitiesnya di sini sayang.
Hah?
Okay.
Wait.
Let's retry this again. It's okay. Let's try this again. Don't worry, that's the beauty of learning, people. Apa sih tadi? Salah. X2. So this is the thing that we have to factorize, right? Yang harus kita faktorisasikan kan yang ini.
Yes.
Nah, step 1 dulu ya. Step 1. Kita harus cari kira-kira berapa kali berapa sama dengan minus 6. Terus kan tadi ada banyak kan ya. Ada minus 1 kali 6. Ada minus 6 kali 1. Ada minus 2 kali 3. Sama ada minus 3 kali 2. Right? Nah dari sini, kan we already have like 4 possibilities, right? Which one's the right one? I don't want to do all of them. Then step 2, what you gotta do is that you gotta pay attention to
That
the
looks
middle
like a
part.
whole like latitude, longitude, location number. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It does look like it, huh?
Okay, I
Nah, terus dari
understand.
sini, ini kan kita ada perkalian. What we have to do next is that we have to pay attention to the middle part. Middle part ini kan cuman X doang kan ya? X doang itu berarti kan this is 1. So that means dari semua possibilities ini, apabila mereka dijumlahkan, yang mana yang hasilnya 1. Kalau minus 1 dijumlahkan sama 6, itu sama aja 5 kan? Kalau minus 6 dijumlahkan dengan 1, itu sama aja minus 5, right? Nah, kalau minus 2 dijumlahkan sama 3, kita dapat 1. Nah, that's when we know that this is the right answer. Now, all we have to do is that we're going to put that into the brackets and it turns into this.
Okay. I'm gonna try and explain it again in a way that my brain made it make sense, and you tell me if it's right or wrong. All right. So when you see numbers like the question over here, like this. So there is the number 6, and the x is just the number 1, right?
Yeah.
So if Ollie has 6 apples, and then she needs to find a way to make it into just 1 apple, she can divide the apple a lot. So she has like 6 apples, right? How does she divide it in a way that she only has 1 apple without just eating 5 apples? Because eating 5 apples not good.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you can either go like 2, 2, 2, or 3, 3, or just eat the whole thing.
Yeah.
Right? How do you do it so you only have 1 apple when you decide to blend it together? Something, something, something minus 2 times 3. I don't understand that part. You lost me there, but I kind of understood the apple part.
You see, nih gini deh, kita mulai dari ini kali ya. Let's start from the brackets. You try doing the brackets now.
Can you explain it with apples, please? Because it makes sense in my brain.
Okay. But before that, let's go back to the multiplication that I just taught you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, Mr. X wants to visit his friends. Xn plus 3, right?
Uh-huh.
But apparently the house is only fit enough for 3 people.
True.
They have to come in 1 by 1.
True.
So X can come with his wife, which means that first of all, we have to multiply these first, right?
Yes.
So we get plus 3x, right?
Yeah.
And then next is Mrs. 2's turn.
True.
So we're going to multiply Miss 2 with x and plus 3. And it becomes like this, right?
True.
Nah. When it comes, if you want to like reverse something, we have to pay attention to this part. You see, because this turns into this, right?
Yes.
Kan ini akhirnya jadi seperti ini. Nah, kita dapat x-nya itu dari mana? We have to guess. You see, thanks to this, thanks to 3x minus 2x, it becomes just x.
Yeah.
Now, step 2 is about that, gitu. And we can find this by guessing bagian akhir, gitu.
Why can't it be like okay, if let's say we didn't know the second part, right? Like we don't know 3x and 2x exist. We just have to find 6 and x. Why can't it be any other number? Like, why does it have to be specifically plus 3x minus 2x? Like, how do I find specifically those numbers? You know what I mean?
Jadi kan, because the minus 2x and the plus 3, it turns into an x, right? And how do we find these numbers? We find it from factorizing 6. Kamu pernah ngeliat yang kayak ginian nggak? Atau kayak, have you seen this before in elementary?
You don't have to say it. Yeah, of course I have seen in elementary. Yeah, I have.
Ya, jadi kita coba cari aja kira-kira berapa kali berapa sama dengan angka yang di atas.
Oh, yeah, I get it now. Okay. I understand.
Nah, dari situ, I'm sorry, that was an unnecessary burn. I'm so sorry.
What do you mean? I graduated top of my class in elementary.
Ya pokoknya, so the first thing that we want to do itu kan kita ngeliat bagian belakang dulu. Kita cari kira-kira berapa kali berapa sama dengan angka yang ini. Terus dari angka-angka yang kita dapat, kita lihat yang mana yang cocok dan yang mana yang apabila dijumlahkan dapatnya itu ini.
Wait, okay. Now that you draw like this, it's like a family tree thing. So if Mr. X and the wife visit and stuff and they have children, you can guess how the children are made by assuming where their parents come from. And if their parents come from the thing and it makes sense, then that's probably where the children's come from.
Yes!
Okay! I actually understood that. Unironically, give me a question right now. I'll prove it to you. I understood.
Okay, let me... I don't want to give you the earlier question because it might have been too hard. I'll give you a simpler one.
Okay. I understand. I'm really good at assuming things. I jump to conclusions very well. I can do that.
Okay.
Okay, I can do this. Oh.
So we have...
Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
Kira-kira ini apa?
So, 5x is the children. Well, they're all technically children's. So, there is x and then... Oh shit, that's an eraser. There is an x and then there is another x. That's for sure parents XX, right?
Yeah.
And then the 6 tree family plus 5. Bang?
No.
Fuck.
It's okay. It's okay. You almost got it. You almost got it. You are getting somewhere.
Hi?
Wait, right?
Wait. I'm not giving up. One more chance. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me do this. 6, like I'll do what Ollie did. There's 6 multiplied by 1. And then there is 3 multiplied by 2. And then to make plus 5. That's kind of it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. But 6 minus 1 is also 5.
That is true. Bener sih, walaupun bener kalau 6 minus 1 itu sama dengan 5. But 6 times minus 1 doesn't equal to 6.
Oh, you have to consider the plus and minus. I understand now.
If you want me to draw it through variables, basically you have to find yang apabila kayak gini. Tapi tunggu bentar. How do I write this? Cara nulisnya gimana ya? Oh, right. Jadi kalau A dikali B itu sama dengan C. Right?
Okay.
C itu this is like angka terakhir ya. The last number, like yang bagian belakang gitu. The butt.
Okay.
Terus habis itu A plus B sama dengan the middle.
Okay.
Jadi harus sama. The middle itu yang ini, yang butt itu yang ini.
Okay, so apple and grape multiplied has to be the n number, but apple plus grape has to be the middle number.
Yes.
Understandable. I get it.
You get it?
I get it. Okay, give me another question. I understand now. For real.
For real.
This is so good. Be
She's
prepared to
learning,
be
guys.
wooed.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm impressed. This is... I understood that shit. I understand if you just say assume. I get it. And now that I know there are rules to the assumption, I get it. Get it. Assume but follow the rules. I'm really good at this. Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. So x squared minus 7x plus 10. So 10... assuming there are 1, 10, 2, 5. That's it. So it's 2 and 5.
It's 2 and 5.
Okay. X. 2 and 5 multiplied together needs to be plus 10. Plus together needs to be minus 7. Ooh.
So how do you do that?
Minus 5 minus 2.
Yeah!
Bang! Oh, shit! I understood that shit!
She understands!
Good. So good. I understood this one fast. Good shit. Good shit.
Good shit.
Because
good shit.
minus minus becomes plus, but minus plus minus becomes minus still.
I'm going to give you like a slightly harder one.
I can
If that's okay. Can you? Okay. Kalau gitu, next question.
Bro, easy.
Do you want me to teach you first, or do you want to try it first?
I wanna try it.
Okay. And then I'll give you...
Okay, I'm gonna put my assumption goggles back on. I know this.
Yeah, that's it.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah.
X squared minus 4. Oh shit, they don't have an X there?
Nope.
So we are going to assume the X is 0. Right? That means 4, assuming the parents of number 4 is 4 and 1 or 2 and 2. 2 and 2 becomes a 0. Which means it is X, and then it's probably a 0. What is the plus together? If the kid is number 4, then the parents have to make some type of sense because it has to be a 0, and minus and plus becomes a 0, and minus and plus multiply becomes minus. So it's probably minus 2. And then what do you do with minus 2 to get a minus 4? You cannot just multiply it with another minus because then it becomes a plus. So you have to just plus 2.
You did it! Oh my
Bro.
I'm so proud of you.
I understood that one. The power up is so big.
She loves me.
Wow, I can't believe that was right. Holy shit.
Oh my god, I wanna kiss you.
Hold on. I just want to cook on 100. What the fuck? This is so good. She cooked it wrong, but somehow it tastes right. That makes so much sense to me.
You did it right. You did it perfectly, my darling.
I can assume now. I can assume you're something about your. Tell me about yourself, and I'll tell you about your parents.
Gimana?
Everything is math. It makes sense. Okay.
Okay. Kalau gitu, I'll give you another factorization.
Okay.
Before we move on to the test, okay? This will be the final one.
A test?
So what if we have a
A test?
No, this is not the test yet.
Okay. Girl, where the?
So how do you factorize this?
Y'all be braiding too much. What the fuck are these numbers? Is that a 9 or is that a Y?
That's a y.
Okay.
It's 2x plus 2y plus 3x plus 3y.
It's 5x plus 5y.
Okay, maybe we shouldn't do this.
No. Oh, you want me to make it like a bracket thing?
I want you to turn it into brackets. How about I write it like this?
You're not making it. Okay. Axe I. Books B. Axie Books B.
How do you turn these into brackets?
I don't know how. I don't know what made you think giving me more letters will make it easier for me. Okay, I can do it. Axie Books B. Axie Books B. Turn it into brackets.
Yeah,
do that.
it's very easy. But you do have to think a little bit outside of the box. Oh
That's right! Yeah, my god! Okay! That's it, okay! Bro, I was like, how do I bracket this shit? Okay.
so bad. Yes, that's how you do it.
Okay, understood.
You
Nice.
understood. I'm so happy.
Axie and Books B becomes AC and Books B. That's how I thought of. I'm not gonna lie. That's all I thought. I was just like Axie Books B, AC B.
I don't understand, but yeah.
It's like if all like. Do you know how stupid this is? Like the reason why I remembered your name so easily was because your name was Ollie with two L's. So in my brain, I'm just like, Oi, hee. And then I remembered your name. Then my brain process made no sense. But I was like, get it? Because there's two L's in it, and it looks like the letter 2. And it's like, Oi.
Yeah!
She's like,
yeah, exactly what you said!
Yeah, see, I knew someone will understand. I knew it.
Yeah!
Yippee!
So now you're ready for the test, and after that, we'll grade you. It's not that hard, don't worry.
Okay.
I just want you to know,
let's see.
chat, I have an IQ of 140. Mm-hmm.
What, really?
Yeah, I actually do.
That's so big.
I
know, a lot of women say that to me. I had to pay like $20 for it. Like, on a, not 20 IDR, like $20 US. Because I took it online when I was like about to go to bed. And I forgot to save it. So I spent an extra like $10 to retake the quiz online. And I got 140. It's so... 14.0? Fuck you, chat.
That's really cool. Alright. So next test, I will be you just go talk with chat. I'm going to write it down.
okay.
Alright, chat. So, while Ollie is writing the questions down, I will tell you everything I remember so then I don't fuck up the test, okay, chat? So, now that she honestly, she deleted everything she wrote, so I kind of forgot what I learned. But, if you look into the face of Zombie Cult, you kind of can feel the support. That way, you will make it somehow. Something, assuming, plus, minus, and multiplication. Today we learned how to plus, minus, multiply, and assume. And that is a skill you need IRL. Something. If you don't know how to get an answer, just assume it. Damn straight. Exactly, chat. So, apples. It's like if you get an apple and you need to assume where the apples come from, you can just assume from the color of the apple and the taste of the apple, right? From that, you can find out what kind of seed it is. Is the seed sweet? Is the seed bright? Is the seed somewhat sticky? And you can figure it out, you know? That way, you can apply the same mentality with math. If your seed is like slightly sweet, then the production is going to be sweet. Sweet seeds make sweet things. If your seed is bitter, the production is going to be bitter. So with that mentality in mind, if the numbers look bitter, it's probably from a bitter source. But if the numbers look sweet, then it's probably from a sweet source. My seed is sweet. How do you know that though, chat? I'm not gonna judge you, but it's good that you are very self-aware. I'm proud of you for that, bro.
Huh?
Bro, what are you saying? It don't make sense. That makes some chat. It's the what is it? I'll have you know, on my spare time, I watch Parental Court. So I know how this shit works, right? If you have a sweet seed, you have a sweet product. Right? Please stop talking, Mika. Chat! Okay, you know what? If you want me to stay quiet and just watch Ollie write random shit onto the board, type 1. If you want me to keep talking while Ollie writes stuff on the board, type 2. Be honest. I'm not gonna take it personally. Just be honest. What would you rather do? Mods, permaban the people that write 1. Fuck them. I think we have a majority of... I see a 2. I see a 2 there in chat. I see another 2. I saw a 3 and a 4. I don't see any 1s. Oh, I think I'm making so much sense. Listen, my brain method might be confusing, but it makes some... Would you rather listen to apples and seeds or some random math formula? Apples and seeds make so much more sense. You know? If the product is thick, the tree is probably thick. Right? It has to make sense. And plus has to be middle, times is and. That's all I can remember from that. Math! What you'd rather do math! I love how she wrote, factorize these with exclamation marks because she's very happy about it.
Yeah.
Made more sense to you, that is. What do you think, Ali? Do you think apples makes more sense or random math equations?
I would say the family tree makes more sense.
Exactly. See? 2 VTubers said that it makes sense. If you don't agree with 2 VTubers...
You're not a VTuber. Okay, done.
Okay.
Should we get rid of a zombie cult? Where do we let him stay? Because this is quite a lot.
No, we'll let them stay. I'll write everything in another one. Zombie cult is going to be my emotional support system. There. I haven't sectioned it off.
Okay. Kalau gitu maybe ya. Wait, I'll just bentar. Let me just harus ada revisi biar gak terlalu banyak.
It's okay. I think it'll be fine. We can answer it one by one.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. All right, I can do this. Do I get like a hint or like I can have a point to call a friend if I need help?
Lu kira ini family feud atau?
It's like, do you want to call a friend?
Girly, we're doing maths right now.
Okay. I'll just write.
If you
like
need
this.
help, just ask me. Okay.
Okay, so number 1. 2x minus 5 plus x plus 3. I'm assuming you just have to remove the brackets. So, that is so easy. It's 2x squared plus 5x minus 5x minus 15. And which means it is just...
It's
15.
add and subtract, by the way.
Right? Oh! I know that. I knew that. Okay. Oh shit. Oops. 2 x minus 5 plus x. I'm not. That was just a trick question for Ollie, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Minus 2. 2. Do you not see like it's right or wrong? You just get okay. It's a test. Okay. Okay. Number 2.
Number 2.
12x plus 3 minus 3x minus and minus is plus. Alas. Where was I? Minus 1. Okay. Which means it's the 12 minus 3 9. 9x plus 4. Yeah. And then the third one 2 minus 2 multiplied. Also simplify these. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, no. Simplify is making it more complicated. Okay. Minus 2x. Oh shit, there's a square in the end. Okay,
Yeah.
ignore the first one. Do the thing in the bracket. Which is okay, x. Shit. Okay, wait, one second.
The exponent is outside the brackets. So that's a hint. Itu eksponennya kan di luar tanda kurungnya. Berarti itu yang dikali itu seluruh tanda kurung.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. X square. I can do this in my brain. Wait. Bang. X square. Bang. X. Bang. Bang. It's okay. Like this. Right? And then it becomes minus 2x squared. Minus 4x minus 2. Good enough. What is the passing grade?
It'll be wait. I didn't think of the KKM yet.
Is it 50?
It's not 50.
Is it 60? 40?
Yes, it's 67.
Okay, which means we can fuck up twice. That's fine. What the fuck is this? X 1/3. The fuck? Okay, you know what? Assuming we learn assumption today. Alright. X multiply X. X 1. If it's a small number, plus it together. 2 out of 3. Or is it 6? Is it 2 out of 3? Or is it 2 out of 6? No, because 2 out of 6 is 1/3 anyways. So it's just 2 out of 3. Makes so much sense. We're making so much sense. Yeah, this is so fucked up. There are so many small numbers and 2 fucking letters. Bro. This is like a bit longer, but worse. Ooh. XY. Hey. It's okay, we can fuck up twice. We're fine. We are literally so fine. I don't know what to tell you, chat. We just like this. Okay. Plus minus. Oh my god. Eh? Yes, no, yes. I'm right. Fuck it. I'm always right. I'm never wrong. I am never wrong. Literally, if you think I'm wrong, you're wrong. Suck my balls. I am perfect. Okay. Good enough. That means we have to somehow not fuck up number 5 and 6, chat. Factorize these. There is no x, which means it's 0. Which means x... 16, chat. What produces 16? There is 1 and 16. There is 2 and 8. There is... Not... Okay. 1, 2, 3, 15. No. 4. 4, 8, 12, 4 and 4. 4. Minus and minus. What produces shit to make it a minus and a minus? Plus and minus. Right? Which means it is minus 4 plus 4. Easy peasy. I'm so confident. Okay. X squared plus x plus y, x plus y. I know this one. Damn. I assume that. I think it's right because x plus 1 and x plus 1 is the same thing, and I remembered in Kumon they said if it's the same thing, just assume that it's one thing. I remember that one thing. If I'm wrong, you know, wait, actually the fact that Ollie's not reacting to it means that I'm probably wrong. So you know what? Kumon probably fucked me up with that one. We can just stick with that. Or I can just like change the color of my brush to make it look like it's a different handwriting. That way, if I'm wrong, I'm just gonna say that chat fucking wrote it. So I'm not wrong. I can just add the word or. Okay.
You can't do that when you're doing maths because sometimes you know, there's equations with actually 2 answers. So or is actually also an answer. You don't want to write that down.
Wait, let me think. If the passing grade is 67, we have 6 questions. We can only get like 2 wrong. Which means... Wait! Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, I know what to do. I know what to do.
Let me do this on my own too. So that ako na-check niya gambang. Ito.
Chat. Right? Am I okay. While Ollie's doing it, I'm gonna actually try and remember. You don't understand how I used to do Kumon when I was younger, but that was like high-key PTSD. I forgot. I don't even remember what Kumon looked like. I think because of Kumon, I mentally blocked like 6 years of my life because gone. So I'm trying to remember if Kumon gaslit me or not. Is it no cheating? Okay, I'm not gonna look at chat. Alright, I'm just gonna talk to the abyss and assume there's chat.
Okay.
X plus 1. Oh, wait! I can do the most logical thing, which is just to write it down. Okay. Okay. So let's say, if Kumon did not gaslight me, plus y, x plus 1. So, with the x squared plus xy plus x squared plus y. So if we got that answer right, it should be the same thing plus xy plus y. Is that the same? Wait, my handwriting's so bad. I kind of merged. Wait, I think I did it wrong. My handwriting's actually so bad, I don't know if I wrote y or x. Okay, again, x squared plus x plus yx plus y. Y. Right? So it becomes x squared plus x. No, that's
Okay.
the thing. X squared plus x plus y. Oh! We're right! Kumon did not gaslight me!
So,
Okay.
are you ready? Do you want me to grade you?
No. I love Kumon. Just kidding. Okay. Yes, I'm done.
Bentar.
I did it.
Just le momente.
Time's up. Hands off the board. Take your time. Yes. Let's go. Who is Kumon? I see you're happy and content with life. How's your childhood? I am assuming it's good.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah!
So, answer number 1. 3x minus 2. That is correct.
Yippee! Okay.
Number 2. 9x plus 4. Also correct.
Yippee! Okay. Good.
Number 3. Minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 2. Correct. Yes.
I wrote -4.
Huh? Huh? Minus 4?
No, I didn't. I wrote plus.
Mana tuh, bentar. Oh, benar. Aku yang salah.
Oh, minus ya.
Minus.
Waduh.
You were right. I was wrong.
You're so right. Yeah, no. Yeah, you know.
You're right.
So
As
solid.
for number 4, which one is the answer actually?
It's this.
2/3 plus... You nearly got it!
No!
Ini seharusnya di atas kayak gini. Jadi it's x third to y 2/3. Terus di sini seharusnya ada 2. You almost got it. So
What?
number 4 is wrong. We can ini kita bisa bahas bareng-bareng kok nanti nomor 4.
Okay.
And number 5 correct. And number 6 correct.
Oh, we passed. That's all that matters.
Which
Fuck it.
means your nilai akhir is 87.
I did it. I am so smart.
You did it! Pass KKM.
Yay! Good.
Like, you only needed to get 4 right, but you got 5 right. You only got 1 wrong.
You're so good. Bro passed. Exactly. I'm so good at assuming things. Except for that one question. I didn't understand shit about that.
Oh, nggak apa-apa kok. So, mau dibahas kah?
Yes,
Yang
please.
nomor 4?
I want to understand how to how does that even make sense? Because if you square it, it is something multiplied by something. How do you multiply by a division?
Oh, tapi kamu tadi udah bener kok. Apa, the faktor 1/3 kalau kena kali jadi 2/3. Got it right kok.
Oh my god. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Emang aku tuh pintar.
Emang aku pintar. Yes, queen.
20.000
Let's go.
dari Asep Bensin.
Okay, mana sih
Pesan,
soalnya tadi?
my brain is not
The
braining
soal
Ren.
was... here it is. Itu.
Oh my god. I can poop with so much joy today, you understand, chat? Okay.
Plus y third.
Oop.
X. Kurang. Kita nulisnya
Sorry.
di bawah ya.
I got disconnected. 1 second.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, I'm still writing it down anyways.
So like this. Perfect. Don't worry, chat.
Are you back?
Yeah. No, I got disconnected on the drawing thing. So chat just saw you got disconnected, huge on stream.
Oh wait, I got disconnected too. Just a moment.
It's okay.
Mm.
Zombie cult's still here. Everything makes sense. How do I put this in the center? Just dead ass. You know, fuck it.
Oh.
Good.
Ini kenapa sih? The canvas keeps on resetting itself for me. Bentar.
It's okay. I think it might be a glitch thing. If you saw the disconnected again, don't worry about it. Power as a several multiplications is actually a simplification that makes understanding harder, since it's only applicable to a natural number. I
So,
understood
you ready?
nothing. Yes.
Jadi ini caranya itu it's like simple multiplication. Yang what makes it a little bit tricky is the by third, right? Eksponen yang di atas itu. But you were already doing really well because kalau eksponen satu kayak kan tadi gini kan ya. Kalau X ketemu sama X lagi itu sama aja X3 kan?
Yeah.
Which means kalau ada eksponen kuadrat gitu ketemu yang sama kayak ginian, ini kan sama aja kuadrat 1 kan ya? Makanya itu jadi kayak gini. So you were right when you took the decision of actually apa sih itu namanya? Menjumlahkannya gitu. When you did this is correct. You get 2 by 3, right?
Yeah.
So all you need to do now is that you just need to multiply it correctly. Jadi kalau X1/3 dikali sama X1/3 kan jadi 2/3. Kemudian habis itu tunggu, let me just do this so that it's a lot easier. Terus kalau X1/3 ketemu sama 1/3 itu jadinya minus X1/3. You just combine them. Y1/3.
Huh? But
yeah, you just
But the 2 is for the Y and not for the X.
No, soalnya semuanya akhirnya dikalikan. Because at the end, X, Y, sama 2, they're all like different variables. So they don't like, mereka gak nyatu, mereka cuma dikalikan aja.
Okay.
Iya. Kayak contohnya, 2 dikali 5 dikali 3. I mean, ini bisa aja you say that this is 30. Ini udah benar gitu. But you can just write it as like 10 kali 3. Ini kan juga benar. Actually. Sebenarnya gitu. By the laws of math, that's actually okay.
Okay.
Nah, terus habis itu dari sini all we need to do itu kaliin yang Y aja. Y1/3 sama X1/3 kuadrat X ya kan ya? Pangkat bukan kuadrat deng. Pangkat. That's what it's called. Jadi ini jadi X1/3 Y1/3 dikali lagi sama yang 2. Nah, di sini jadinya itu minus 2Y 2/3. And all you need to do itu tinggal dijumlahkan aja semua. Kebetulan variabel yang ini kan dua-duanya sama. Jadi ini jadi X2 pangkat 2/3 minus X1/3 Y1 pangkat 1/3 dikurang 2Y pangkat 2/3. Itu caranya. Yay! Any questions?
Okay. From a scale of 1 to 10, how honest do you want me to be?
Be very honest.
I know I'm confused, but I don't even know what I'm confused about.
Okay, that's okay. Kalau gitu, how about this? Aku ini dulu kali ya. Let me just erase these and try and make it easier for you.
Like, the chat, I don't know what I don't understand. Like, I don't know what I don't know. I don't know something. I don't know what that is, though.
Oh, don't worry.
Valid.
I've been there. That's very valid.
Can you explain it in apples?
Okay,
Oh my god, for real?
let's turn all of these exponents into apples. How about that?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah!
Okay, true.
I think that'll be a lot easier for you.
Okay.
Bentar. Berarti kita gambarnya kayak gini nih. Pakai hati aja ya.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Yes.
So
Wait, there's
what do
an
you wanna
echo,
do?
but it's not from me, I think. I think
Oh,
it's...
oh, oh. Maybe my headphone's too close. Sorry.
I'm just that loud, it's okay.
Okay.
My brain's dying, it's a cry for help.
So
Okay.
what we want to do here is
Mhm.
that you just want to multiply them as per usual. If you multiply x apple with x apple,
Mhm.
you get x apple plus apple, right?
Yeah, it becomes a bigger apple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Itu cara nulisnya. So hard to write plus. Okay, this is the apple plus apple, right?
True. So true.
And then if x apple meets with minus 2y apple, it becomes 2 x apple y apple. Because you just need to actually make them bond together. They just need to sit next to each other gitu. Mereka tinggal duduk aja bersebelahan.
So, X's apple can't be plus with Y's apple because it's
No.
not their apple.
Yeah, they have their own apple and they're going to eat their own apple.
Oh.
So they don't share at all.
Oh!
Unlike these X's over here, these two X's, they decided to share, which is why they become one. It becomes one apple plus one apple. But it's because they're not like the same person. So they decide that they're just going to bring their own apple and enjoy their own apple. So it's separate.
Oh, okay. So, if you are not the same thing with the same apple, you cannot share apples. You can just sit beside each other while eating your own apples.
Yeah.
Ow! Naruhodo!
You understand now? Same goes to Y and X. They're like two different people, right? They don't trust each other yet. They don't think they're the same people, which is why they're going to eat their own apples separately.
Bro, I understand.
Yeah. And then for the last one, because they're the same people, they're going to share. So it's minus 2 Y apple plus apple.
Because they're the same thingy.
Yeah. And now all we need to do is that we just need to gabungin semuanya, you know? Just gotta unify all of them. These two, they become the same person. And that means...
Because X apple, Y apple, and X apple, Y apple.
Yeah. So this becomes minus X apple, Y apple. And this is still minus 2Y apple plus apple.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
If let's say it's let's add like I'll change one thing, right? Let's say it's 2x apple plus apple. Can you combine this apple with this apple? No, like let's ignore like this question. Like if it's just like this, right? Because you can combine 2x apple y apple and x apple y apple. But if it's 2x apple plus apple, y apple plus x apple y apple, can you combine it because x and y still existing together?
No.
Oh.
Yeah. There's no explanation. It's just no, you can't do that.
Okay, so if 2x had 2x apple plus apple, y apple plus x apple y apple, you can't just make it like minus x apple plus apple.
Yeah, because with the x2 apple y apple and the x apple y apple, gimana ya? Dengan let me look for a different color. There you go. With this one, the x apple plus apple and the y apple plus x apple and y apple, they're not the same. It's the same with itu sama aja dengan x apple yang ini. It's the yang ini dia kan juga punya dua apel. This X has 2 apples, right? But you can't combine this guy with this one because they have a Y. difference yang kayak gitu pun, it makes a difference, you know. It's like when you're in the weeaboo community. There's a weeb that likes anime, but there's also a weeb that likes manga. They don't really... I mean, they can bond, but it's just that they don't ngeklop gitu loh, ngerti gak?
Because then the weeb that likes manga will be like, that anime is not accurate. And the one that likes anime is like, but I don't read.
Yeah.
So you have to be part of the weeb community and like the same thing, not just an anime. You have to like anime and manga. And if you like anime and manga, you can't just be like, it doesn't click with just a person that likes anime. You have to click with a person that likes anime and manga.
Yeah.
Oh!
You understand now?
Yeah! So, okay. So with that in mind, that means if let's say X apple plus apple and then minus X... okay, let's say plus X apple. You can't like just make it X apple plus apple plus apple?
No.
So this is it. Like, this is just it.
Yeah, you can do that if they're being multiplied, not being added. Kalau dikaliin bisa, cuman kalau ditambahkan nggak bisa.
Okay, so if you're part of the weeb community and then you can't have two plus together. If you like different, if you just like anime, that's one thing. If you like anime and manga, that's another thing. If you like both, that's another thing. You can't plus it, but you guys can somewhat multiply.
Yeah.
Oh!
Do you understand now?
I do! This is so good! I understand. Holy.
Now, all you need to do is you turn all of these apple into 1/3.
Okay, you know what? I like apples way more. Apples make so much sense to me. Totally lost. What do you mean? This literally makes it... If Ollie has an apple and I have an apple, I can't be like Molly apple. You know, it has to be Ollie and an apple and Mika with an apple. We can't just Molly. But if I somehow steal Ollie's identity and I become Ollie, then we can be Ollie apple.
Yes.
Easy!
The best way to put it, yes.
Easy, chat. You have to commit identity. You have to steal their identity. You have to be the same thing to combine. Because Ollie's zombie hand doesn't fit my body. But if I have Ollie's zombie hand extra, then she can use my zombie hand extra because it's hers.
FYI, we do not support identity theft.
Yeah, that is not... Don't do that. Okay, if you take legal advice from VTubers, don't do that either in general. But this is... Don't... Bro, this is just how my brain works. It's math. But we convert... POV, it's math. Thanks for saving my career.
Yeah. So that's about it. Congratulations again. You passed!
It's so good. How do you know these things?
I study.
Wow, look at the time. Holy shit. But you study because you have to, right? Because it's not because you find it fun or anything. It's because you have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you didn't have to do it, then studying is kind of hard. And no normal person does it, right?
Yeah, the only maths I do is... Kamu tahu game Idol Manager gak?
Enggak. I've heard about it actually.
Yeah, that's the only maths I've been doing lately.
Okay, the only math I used to do was when I would play Genshin. And you know how you have like pity points? I keep up with that. So like I would count every roll I did, and sometimes I'm not rich enough to do like a 10 roll, so I only do a 1 roll. And unironically, I had like a notepad because my memory is really bad. Like I'll forget about it. So I would like have tallying points. So I know exactly how much my pity points were. And like I'd calculate like if I'm going to push to pity, how much money will I spend? Which means how much money can I afford for food? And then I count that. And like sometimes I'm like, oh man, You know what? Maybe I'd starve for 2 days. But it's okay, because I'll get this character. Aside from that, I kind of just wing it. But you lost to Chi. Shut up, chat. I love Chi-Chi. Okay, if you tell yourself you love a certain character, you won't regret your polls.
You just gotta gaslight yourself into the love, you know?
Yeah, sometimes if you can't have something you love, just love what you have. That's basically I'm just saying to be grateful, but like we were saying it the worst possible way. It's like just be grateful, but like gaslight yourself until you like it, chat. Fuck it. If you don't like something, then suck balls. You do now.
Yeah.
This is oddly very weirdly fun because I feel like I developed as a person. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah!
It's so rewarding. It's rewarding because I got things right. Yippee!
Yippee!
What is, in your opinion, the hardest form of math? Like, what is a question you struggle with?
I hate trigonometry.
What is that?
Trigonometry it's the sinkostan.
I have a
Remember
question.
sinkostan? Yeah.
Remember? Yeah, I used to do that in elementary too.
That's actually middle school.
Yeah, I did that in middle school too. How do you calculate sin costan without a calculator? You can't, right?
I mean, traditionally you can, but it's better with a calculator, I would say. It's like gimana ya bilangnya ya? You can make your own burger, but I don't know, you would go to your closest fast food chain, right?
Ah, true. Why step on grape if you can blender it? True.
Yeah.
How about... Okay, chat is saying calculus, and I'm not gonna lie, chat. I only know the word calculus because it was in a meme. I don't know what calculus is. I only know... There's like a picture of a guy, like... A random guy looking into the camera, and on his forehead is just like a text that goes, calculus. And that's all I know. I don't know what the fuck calculus is. Can
I
actually...
don't know either.
Chat, write a calculus question right now in chat. I don't know what calculus looks like. What if it's like you have to have random symbols? Then I don't know, make up the symbols. How do you do what is calculus?
What is calculus?
Differentiation and integration.
Ah, that's something that chat kept on telling me to teach. But I'm in high school. I wouldn't know.
Oh my god, true. I'm also in elementary. I wouldn't know. So lore accurate. How about metric spaces and topology? I know topology. Like,
what's a topology?
It's like, I think when you're like, something is on the top and there's a middle and a bottom or something. And like, I'm assuming because it's topology.
Something with the top and bottom. So...
Right? Like the Omegaverse.
Uki and Semi.
I was about to say! Dude! Right? Do you know about... Oh my god, actually, something stupid. I don't know if we can even talk about it, but like... Yeah, if we can talk about Ukeseme, we can talk about it. I heard about something called the Omegaverse.
Yeah, there's the Alpha, there's the Omega, and there's the... What's it called? Beta, right? Beta is like somewhere in the middle. They don't really fuck around, but these two, they get it on.
I saw, like, this is so random, but there was one, like, book that I was reading. It's a scholar book, trust. Honestly, the plot was so normal. It was so normal for the first, like, 3 chapters, right? And after the 4th chapter, it's revealed that it's actually, like, an Omegaverse thing. But instead of saying it's an Omegaverse, they just say, like, this person's body smell. So it's like, oh my god, wait a minute. I just realized you have always smelled like lavender, which means you're an Omega. And I was like, what the fuck? What is this fucker? You smell like fish, so you're an alpha. Like, what the fuck is that?
Oh my god, your kidney smells like rendang. You must be a beta.
Low key though, would you live in an Omega? Would you like? Do you think, if let's say the world is an Omegaverse world, would you be like, you know what, this is a world for me, or you'd like double it and give it to the next person?
What do you mean double it, give it to the... What does double it mean? What do you do when you double an Omegaverse? Itu kayak apa sih, Omega Quadrat gitu loh. What?
You get what I mean? Yeah. Would you actually, you know, live in it, or is it not the most your cup of tea?
Just for the funs of it, I would be curious to see what doubling it looks like.
I would double it and give it the... Honestly, true. I'm not gonna lie. Something about the fact that like your smell determines something is so weird to me. I am already so conscious about how I smell. The fact that people might be like, oh my god, beta normie. I'd be so sad. I would cry. Beta normie. I would rather cry. From the smell of you. You're a normie. No way. Like, I can smell that you're a VTuber. Imagine. Oh my god,
damn.
no way. Not my cup of tea, bro.
No. Oh my god, you smell like that one Omega VTuber that I follow that I think he smells like.
Dude, I just hate the fact that like, I don't know, not hate. Hate is a strong word, but something to do with the word pheromones. Like the word pheromones is so. If someone comes up to me and they're like, my pheromones are acting up, I will call the police.
We actually had a discussion before the stream about pheromones, and you were laughing your ass off.
What? Wait, what the fuck are we talking about?
We were like, oh my god, people are getting sick left and right, and then I was like, yeah, my little brother got sick. Yeah, maybe it's their pheromones. I don't know, because I'm not getting sick.
It's the male pheromones. It's the female pheromones. Fuck you, Jen. I'm telling you. Oh my god, wait. The thing is, right? Every time I would stream with friends, my brain, like, shuts off. Specifically. Like, if we're not that close, my brain is still like, okay, I'm functioning. Like, I know certain things. Like, you know, like, you tiptoe around people you're not super close with, right? The issue is when you stream with people you're close with, your brain just like dies.
It's so comfy that it just decides to not work.
I know. So sometimes I'm like, I would be talking about something and I'm like, can we even talk about this? Yeah, we can. Right? Yeah, we can. That's how I thought about with the word Omegaverse. I was like, can we talk about the word Omegaverse? Is that weird? I don't know if I talked about it to you or something, but I saw a TikTok video. I saw this one TikTok video. And it's something to do with female... Was it like female atmosphere and male atmosphere? Like they say if you're like... Yeah, like if you're a female and you... Like, if let's say you have a roommate and it's a dude, it's like the air is different. But you're a female and your roommate's a female, the air is different. You know, like, if you're a female living with a male, you're fucked. No, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, the air just feels thicker. And if you're a male living with a male, the air is, like, thick. Like, you can enter a house and you know that's like, oh, two dudes are living in here. And I, like, this one TikTok guy was going into so much detail about it. It's like, I know who your roommates are just by smelling your energy. And like he went on to details. Yeah, because of pheromones. He was like, yeah, because of the pheromones. And I shit you not, chat, I went on a whole like rabbit hole about it because I was like, please don't tell me. Like, because I had a roommate, right? And ever since she left, I do feel like the air is like lighter. You know what I mean? Like, I go outside, I breathe in, I'm like, I can actually smell the oxygen. There's no way. Are pheromones real? I went on a rabbit hole
What
about
do
that.
you mean our pheromones are real?
Like, do we actually have pheromones, or is this just like a manga thing?
Wait, pheromones are hormones, right?
But you can smell it. 1% chat said yes. Is it?
It was a lovely math class that we had.
Yeah, think about it. Maybe Ollie, you have a smell to you.
You want to know a fun fact?
Yes.
Most of the time, when I get sweaty, my armpits smell like KF. Yeah.
Wait, actually, I have a beauty tip for you that might actually help. It's if it doesn't have to be like a bad smell, chat, but if you have a body odor that you don't quite like it's not like a bad smell, a smell just exists, right? After a shower, you take alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, but not the super strong one. Some people actually like some brands produce it, but you can take like rubbing alcohol, put it on a cotton swab, and just like wipe your armpit after a shower. Do this like for 2 days or 3 days, it's gone. Like legit just gone. I did that. I did that one time, and now I never smell. Yeah, so the thing is, I don't know, I don't think my sweat smells, or like I smell humid. That's what I've noticed though. Like if I don't shower and I'm sweating, I just smell like humid, like a lot of water is on me. But I don't have like a, yeah, you just wipe your armpit with alcohol. Somehow I saw that, I saw it on TikTok, so be careful about it. But I tried it once and it works. It smells humid. So true. And then you can add like flowers because it smells good. Pheromones. I don't know if pheromones are real or not. But if it is, chat, if you're telling me I can increase my chances of finding a lover from pheromone perfume, I don't believe in that, okay? So can you tell me, like, if someone finds pheromone perfume that actually works, can you tell me where to get it just so I can avoid it? Thanks. No,
Just
that
so
does
that
not
I can
work.
avoid it.
Yeah, because I don't believe in that, you know? Love should be from things that doesn't include sense of smell. So true.
Well, you know what? I don't also believe in breast. You know, I don't believe in boobies. So like, if anyone wants to like prove me wrong, then be my guest. I don't believe
oh my
in them
god.
at all.
You should have said like, I don't think boobs exist, chat. I don't think boobs exist at all, okay? If you think I'm wrong, send a picture. Send me a picture, proof or lie. I think big boobs don't exist. Low-key, I said that once as like a joke. I was like, chat, I think people with thick thighs don't look good in a pencil skirt. Prove me wrong, send me a picture. And I got so much pictures, it's so good. I was like, yeah, nice.
I'll make another. I'll make a tweet. I'll see what I'll find.
People with big boobs aren't real. Send me a picture or lie. You know, there are like fake boobs that looks real.
Yeah.
Like the silicone ones that you can just like put on. I low-key bought one.
You bought one?
I did, but like for some reason it doesn't look good on me at all. It was.
I mean, I don't know. You'll have to show me. I'll be the judge of that.
Let me put on my fake tits. I tried to get one because like I wanna, you know, wear clothes and have a cleavage. Like I don't want the boobs. I just want the cleavage. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I tried to do that, but for some reason, it literally looks like I don't know. I don't explain it, but the boobs don't look like boobs on me.
Naruhodo.
But like if I don't wear it, it looks like boobs. But if the moment I put them on, it's like you can tell that those are not tits.
Yeah.
That's so fucked up.
Yeah.
Oh my god, thank god you've never tried that, right, Ollie?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you for teaching me math today.
What? Math? You're welcome.
Yeah, we had such a very civil and adult conversation about math. It's so good. I love math. Do you want me to teach you math next time?
I would love for you to teach me math.
Oh my god! Listen to that chat. Do you think from a scale of 1 to 10, how smart am I? Be honest. Ollie?
7.8 out of 10.
Why is it so specific?
It's like, you're smart, but I don't think you're an 8.
What the
So it's a 7.8.
What is an 8 to you? Why are people in chat saying 3?
The chat is just being mean. I'm giving you a 7 out of 8.
Exactly, chat. You guys are just dicks. Very generous.
Remember, people, there's something called IQ and there's something called EQ.
Exactly.
Mm.
And my
I feel
IQ
like-
is just huge.
Yeah, I feel like your EQ is just a lot more huger than your huge IQ.
Wait, I actually told Ollie this like a long time ago, but I said like, I like if anything ever happens, if we talk to someone, it'll be like balanced. Because Ollie is so nice, and I just say things in the worst way possible. Ollie's the type of person that's like, oh no, you're not like weird. I think you're unique. Well, I'm like, bruh, you weird as hell. I think you're so unique, and that's an amazing thing about you. And I'm just like, bro, you weird. she helps me. I'm just like, Ollie, how do I word this nicely? And she actually is really good at it. I don't know how. Like, if I want to say something and I don't know how to say it, I probably just ask Ollie. Like, how do I say this in a nice way? Like, instead of calling them very
Have
weird.
you ever actually asked me that? I don't remember.
I think once where I was like, I don't know how to approach this situation. I forgot what it was, but it was something to do like a friend of mine asked the question, but I didn't know it was like a rhetorical thing or a serious thing, you know? So I wanted to like, if I had to ask them like, are you being serious? Like that's what basically I forgot the exact question, but let's say they're like, hey, Mika, can I ask if I am weird? If I respond with like, are you being serious? That sounds like it's a yes. You know what I mean? But if I say like, no, you're not weird, then it sounds like I'm lying. But if I say yes, then that's just being a dick. So I asked Ollie once, I was like, how do I like ask them if they're being serious or if they're like joking, or how the fuck do I approach the situation? And I remember you were like, you should ask them where they're coming from and what's making them feel this way. Like, she was like, you should ask the background. I was like, oh, you're so right.
Did I say that? I don't
I
remember.
remember you were like giving me advice on how to communicate with people better.
I genuinely do not remember, but that does sound like something I would say.
It's just the more like, no, you have to understand them more. And I'm just like, bro, so true. It's like, Mika, I'm so depressed. And I'm like, twin bestie, true. Ollie's the type that's like, no, do you need someone to talk to? I'm the type that's like, same twinning anyways. We all need an Ollie in our lives at one point. I'm telling you, it's just me. But then I still thank you for teaching me math. Thank you for taking the time today and teaching me math. I'm not gonna lie, you are one of the most patient people I've ever... You explain things so well, and it makes so much sense. And even the parts that doesn't make sense somehow.
Really? Did you really understand?
I did. Like, in my brain right now, it's like apple, apple, but it makes so much sense. Like, I can do it. I probably can't teach it, but if you give me the question, I can answer it. Because now it makes sense.
Yay! We did it!
Thank you
That's
for
what
being
counts.
so patient. Exactly.
You're welcome, and thank you. I've been taking so much of your time. I didn't mean to.
What the fuck?
See, this is... What do you mean? I like spending time with you. You can take all my time. Yeah, baby girl.
Baby girl, yeah!
You're so right. My EQ is so high. But no, I love spending time with you, so never feel bad about stuff like that. You will never bother me. Something. Oh god. Bro, I get flustered too easily. I can't compliment people. I just like spending time with you. How do I say that? I like spending time with you.
I like spending time with you too, which is why we should do this again soon. Soon.
Is it gonna be harder? Does it have to be math?
I'm not saying that we'll be doing math. I'm just saying that we should hang out again.
Yes, we should. I have such a great idea. It'll come to me eventually, you know? But I know I have a great idea. I have a super cool idea.
I believe in you.
Yeah, it'll come to me later. But yeah, thank you for spending time. Do you want to chat? Or do you want to rest? Or do you want to something? I also don't want to be taking too much of your time. Something. God, I love communicating. Thank God my job has nothing to do with how to communicate. Fuck.
Yeah, I think I do need to leave now. So I hope you have a great rest of the stream.
Thank you. I'm probably gonna end the stream soon because I'm about to get my period. I can feel it. It hurt.
Oh damn.
I know.
Ini jangan-jangan katalisnya itu dari matematikanya.
Oh my god!
Was the math the catalyst all along?
The math allowed me to want to shit and activated my hormones. It's... All my illness could have been fixed if only I thought for 1 second a day. But I didn't. I can feel... Like, you know when you're about to get your period and you just instantly feel it randomly? That's me like 5 minutes ago. Like, my stomach did like... It feels like it's concaved. And I was like, oh, I feel it. It opened the floodgates. And I knew. Alright, if we keep talking, I'm gonna get... Wait, I can't even say I'm gonna get fired anymore. If we keep talking...
Don't say that! Don't say that!
That's me every time I stream. It's okay, it's fun. It's like a gamble. But thank you for dropping by. We should do something fun. Invite me anytime I'm jobless. Yay!
I surely will. Alright. Have a fun rest of the stream and bye, chat!
Bye!
Bye,
Wait, I'm just
Mika.
gonna slowly drown you like this down the screen so your exit will seem so... Your exit will...
Bye-bye!
Okay, like this. Nice.
Okay.
Very nice. I'm still streaming, but you're not on the screen anymore. But like, they can't see you. Wait, I can like show a bit of your eyes. Okay. Do you want to have like a very, like cool exit? I can make you like fly through the other corner of the screen and then...
Oh, yes, please. In 3, 2, 1, please fly me out.
Alright, count.
Okay, see you guys later! Otsotsu! 1, 2, 3.
Good. Good. That's so good. Alright, chat. Alright. I haven't set up my... 1 second. Oh my god. I love Ollie. I'm really bad at communicating, but I took a break for a month and I forgot how to talk. Alright. Let me do this because I don't want to accidentally dox myself. So, let me quickly... Imagine being a professional streamer. No way. Okay. There we go. This is good. Atsu, babe. Oh my god. No, our secret is supposed to be... our relationship was supposed to be a secret. No. Now everyone knows I'm in a loving relationship. Dang, chat. I guess I have to come up with it. The reason why me and Ollie interact so well is because we're actually living together and we're married. With the ice cream. Was it the pheromones? It's because I'm a VTuber. You know, I just have a attraction. Something. I shit you not though. Something about thinking made me want to shit. Something about it. Like, I feel like I'm getting my period. I'm not experiencing anything with my body. It's just like if you get periods, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Like you're sitting down and you just feel something like punch your stomach and then come out of you. That's me right now. Okay. Let me just...
Through super chat.
There we go.
The undead are rising and they're teaching math.
Who's they? Ketchup girl? Fuck you, chat. Okay, first of all, yes, I am going to be ketchup girl. I'm also going to be very emotional for the next 2 days. So, it is what it is. The red tide is red. Thanks. I love seeing chat. You know what's nice about hanging out with Ollie? She doesn't call me dumb. That's so true. You know? It's so nice talking to people that don't call me dumb. Let me just... Wait. I'll put my headset back on. Oh, OS? Gimana lagi? Ya, wes aja.
Emo, ketchup! I'm gonna be emotional, chat. I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna complain about small little things that actually doesn't impact me. But in my brain, it does. And I'll complain about it. Because I can. Also, now that you guys are here, I'm going to...
Oh, fuck! I forgot to ask Ollie if she had anything to... Anything she wants to announce. 1 second. How do I ask Ollie this? Shit. This is so hard. At Ollie. Can I just do that? At Ollie. Or I can DM her. Oh, you're right. Do you have anything you want to tell stream? By the way, I forgot to ask. I took a break for, unironically, 1 month. And I forgot how to do this shit. It's okay. Everything will be great. Ask her how to ask it. Bro. I do have an announcement though. It's a good one. It's gonna be next week. I've been okay, Ollie's calling me right now. 1 second. Hello there.
I don't believe in big breasts and evidence.
Do you actually have... That's all she said! What the fuck? Don't forget to check her out. YouTube, Kureiji Ollie, Twitter, Kureiji Ollie, links in the description below. She's really cool and she actually streams and makes content, which is so cool. God damn it. I'm gonna assume there was something cool. But yeah, next week, I've been working on something behind the scenes a little, but I don't know how to announce this in a cool way, so I'm just gonna say it outright. I am getting... wait, I know how to announce it coolly. So, chat, before I go, I thought that maybe we should go on a date together. I wrote a script somewhere. Okay, maybe we should get... Oh, no, go on a date together. I will... Something... new look something next week. Yeah! Pregnant! Yes, chat. I will be giving birth. And I will no longer be looking this way. I am going to give birth next week. You are live on stream, so yeah, super cool. Leave us alone. What the fuck, chat? What? You're supposed to be obsessed with me. Come on. I feel bad for your future kids. Who's the father? Oh my god, I can't say. I'm a streamer. I'm a VTuber, you know? I can't just say that. Don't expose our child. Our child. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, babe. I forgot. Finally, some comfy. But yeah, next week I'm giving birth live on stream. So tune into that. It's gonna be really cool. Yeah, it'll be great. Yeah, I'm gonna be announcing more of it, but I have certain stuff planned out for it. Yeah. I thought of making it a bit more nicer for you guys. You'll see what I have cooking. I've been cooking this for a while now. So, yeah! Aside from that though, my stomach is literally concaving on itself. I can feel it squish. But I'll be streaming again in like 24 hours. I have a collab again. I have a collab again, technically not tomorrow, but on Saturday, but it's at 1 a.m. I think I have another collab with Enna on Saturday night, but I have to double check with her. Because I'm not super sure. We haven't set a time, we just set a date. But yeah, I think if everything goes according to plan, Saturday at 1 in the morning my time, I'm gonna have a collab where I'll be playing Lethal Company. It's going to be with Ellie and Fruit. And then I think at night, either 8 p.m. my time or somewhere around there, right? Something at night. It's gonna be a collab with Enna. Yeah, so I have to sort that out. We're like really bad at talking with time zones because my brain and her brain doesn't make any sense. She could cancel it after that reply to her tweet. No, Enna loves me. What do you mean, chat? Enna's my best friend. Lethal Company with Enna. No, I'm gonna be playing Lethal Company with Ellie and Fruit. Ellie, you'll see. I'll be tagging their socials on my description, so you'll see. But it's not Enna. And that's gonna be another thing. I think we're gonna fucking play Cuphead. I'm not gonna lie. Enna just wants to play Cuphead. And I was like, honestly, yeah, me too. I want to play Cuphead again. I'm telling you. I will fly all the way to wherever Enna is right now so we can play Cuphead. Right? Tomorrow I'm gonna be traveling to Enna's place. Just for a Cuphead. And then I'm flying back. So easy. Anyways, chats. I will have to end the stream here. Sorry for ending it a bit earlier. I was thinking of doing an early stream tomorrow. Maybe like not at my usual stream time, but sometimes earlier so we can just chat. I wanted to chat more today, but unironically, my stomach is continually concaving in. It hurts. I hate periods, but if I don't get my period, I'm going to cry. Because then I overthink that I'm pregnant. And that's the truth. Because in my brain, right, I don't need to have sex to become pregnant. Now that Ollie's not here, I can say whatever I want. But I don't know why. Like, I know people say, like, the only way you can get pregnant is if you have sex. But, like, what if it flies in the air? What if someone decides to jizz in my water tank and then I am just taking a shower and then the jizz enters my body and then I'm pregnant? You are free to shut up. No, you cannot silence me anymore. I will not be silenced. Think about it, chat. What if some person decides to jizz on my water tank and then I get pregnant? Or what if someone decides to like jizz in the air and it evaporated because Indo is so hot, right? Someone decides to jizz, the jizz instantly evaporated and then it seeks into my skin and I become pregnant. So I'm telling you, I find comfort in periods because I'm like, oh my god, phew. I'm not pregnant. But it hurts. So fucking bad. You got trust issues? Wow, I didn't know that. It's not trust issues, but like, it's a what if, you know? The chances are low, but not none. Think about it. If there is just 0.01% chance, that's still a chance. And I'm not risking it. What kind of delulu is this? Oh, wait! I do want to tell you guys something. You know what? Maybe we will have a little free chat. I have something I want to tell you. It's a stupid story, but I didn't stream the past 3 days because I decided to actually go to the hospital. And I got my blood test, right? I did tweet about it. But let me tell you something that made me so confused. Maybe right now that my hormones are acting up, I'm extra confused. But I got my blood taken, like through a needle. And I told the nurse, I was like, you can do it on my left hand because my right hand, like something about my veins on my right hand doesn't work. Like, I have had my blood taken a lot. And every time they try to take my blood on my right hand, it's always like fucked. Like they have to jab me. It doesn't work. They remove it and they jab me again. So I'm like, just do it on my left hand. My right hand is like, the veins are too thin. They didn't listen to me. They're like, okay. And they jabbed me on my right hand. And then they did it on like the top of my wrist. And they did it on like the thing on my elbow folds. And then they did it on my other hand. So I had like 4 needle holes again. They took my blood. Next day, I went back to the doctors to get it checked up, right? One of the issues, I didn't say this on stream because I didn't want to like worry people if I didn't have a reasonable explanation for it. But something that's been going on that's kind of weird is for the past couple of weeks, I've been getting weird nosebleeds. Like, it's not even the type of nosebleed that's like, oh, I scratched my nose too hard or I fell and then I started getting nosebleeds. No, like, I was going downstairs to take my food, right? Because I ordered it from like Uber Eats, Indonesian's version of Uber Eats. I went downstairs, I stood in front of the guy, and I looked at him, and suddenly I start nosebleeding. Like, it's random. Like, I would wake up, I take a shower, I finish showering, I sit down in front of my computer, suddenly I nosebleed. Like, it's random. But it doesn't hurt. Like, it's not like I'm nosebleeding and then I get dizzy and then I start feeling pain. No, I don't feel anything. Everything is fine. It's just suddenly I'm nosebleeding. And it's so fucking annoying because I don't want to stain anything. You know, like what if I'm wearing a nice pretty white t-shirt and then I just get blood on it? Hell no! I would rather die. So, I've been getting that. On top of it, I've been getting weird phantom bruises. And I thought that maybe I've just been like exercising too much, right? Have I been exercising? No. But I have been trying to walk a bit more. Priorities? Exactly. You don't understand. White t-shirts that are good is hard to get. But I've been getting bruises on my thigh, on my feet, and on my arms. And these are not just like small bruises that are like light blue. These are the kind of bruises that are huge, like fist-sized bruises. After 3 days, they turn purple, and then they turn green, and then they turn yellow. Like those kind of bruises. That takes like a week and a half to disappear, but while they're disappearing, it goes through like a whole age. Non-painful. It's painful if I touch it, but if I don't touch it, it doesn't hurt. You know? But I've been getting so much. I can't show it to you guys, obviously, but I sent a picture to Rumi, and she was so shocked because I had one on my, what is it, like feet? The Achilles heel, somewhere near there. And then 3 centimeters above it, I got another one. And then another one right next to my knee. And then 4 more on my thigh. And that was just in one leg. Like, my leg literally looks like it had like splotches of paint. And I didn't know where it came from. Like, it's not like I'm exercising. It's not like I'm fighting or boxing. I'm not doing shit. I wake up, shower, go on my computer, go to bed. That's all I've been doing. So I've been getting that for the past couple of weeks. And I brought it up. I showed the doctor even, right? I showed them like, oh, these are my bruises. Like, some are recovering already, but there are still some that are like yellowish. So I showed the doctor. And he read my test results. You know what? I had to wait there for 4 hours. I sat there waiting for 4 hours. And this was excluding like the booking process and the talking process. It's just sitting down and waiting. I got my blood test and I had to pay for all that. It was a very expensive moment in my life. And the doctor just looked at me and he's like, oh, I forgot you're vegetarian. It's because you're vegetarian. That's it. That's all he said. He didn't even ask anything. He didn't ask anything about like, oh, how is it dizzy? Do you feel dizzy? Do you feel nauseous? Have you been doing anything? Have you been like changing anything? Are you still taking your meds? Blah, blah. Nothing. He looked at my report. He opened my file because I have a patient file, right? And because I used to stay in that hospital a lot, it's written that I have a dietary restriction. Because I said to them like, oh, I can't digest meat very well. So they wrote it as vegetarian. They looked through my folder and they're like, oh, I forgot you were vegetarian. It's probably because of that. And I was like, but I've been vegetarian for years. I'm not even vegetarian. I'm pescatarian, which means I still get some form of nutrition. And I was like, I've been pescatarian for years. It's not like I decided like recently for the past 3 months, I decided to stop eating meat. I have not eaten meat in unironically 8+ years. The first and only time I've eaten chicken was on stream last month or two, that's it. And I was like, what? And the thing is, right, you said you barely eat anything. Chat, I will tell you, ever since I went on a break, I've been eating more. Like, I've been gaining healthy weight. I eat twice a day now. Yeah, I eat twice a day, and it's a healthy meal thing. So I've been trying to improve my health, mainly because my medicine that I'm taking kind of hurts my stomach sometimes if I don't eat. So I have been eating more. So it's not even about the food, but the doctor was so convinced that I am lacking vitamin K and D3. I remember. It's like, oh, I'm gonna prescribe you vitamin K and vitamin D3 because this is a very common thing amongst vegetarians. Like, you guys just don't have this vitamin. And then bruising and nose bleeding is a normal side effect. Also, my blood is very, very liquid.
Lotus
apparently.
for $3. When you graduate, are we allowed to be super dramatics, talk about you as if you're dead?
Yes.
Like I still remember the times we had together. Nothing will fill the void she left behind.
I will say, I have an opinion on that. I'll say it after this, but chat, deadass, I waited there. I told him about the meds, because for the past couple of months, I've been on a different type of medicine treatment. One of the reasons is because I have like a blood condition as well. Not a serious one, it's just my blood doesn't clot, and it's very thin. Like, it doesn't clot as fast, and it's very thin. So I had to take like these blood something. And I told the doctor, it's like, I just realized it kind of makes my stomach hurt if I don't eat. So I don't know if it's like a good fit. Like, should I change it or something? I shit you not, the doctor just like, then just eat, 5-head. It's like, no, I think everything's fine. I even asked, it's like, do you think it might be my body not accepting the medicine? Because all of this shit started happening after I changed meds. So I was like, do you think the meds work? Or like, maybe it doesn't, it's not fit. Like, I don't fit the meds. Like, my body condition and the meds don't work. The doctor literally just looked at me. It's like, no, it works. It works. It's just, just eat more, 5-head. Take vitamin K. That's it. And I was like, oh, okay. So now I have no choice but to continue it. And now I'm taking more vitamins. Because vitamins is apparently what's causing me to bruise up. Like, half of my body is a bruised apple. Because of vitamins. Am I crazy, or I just feel like that's not true? Like, maybe the vitamins is true, but is it just vitamins? Like, I've always been... There's a lot of vitamins that I lack in my body. That is true. But I've never bruised this much before. So I was like, am I crazy? So, I don't know, but I told Rumi's mom about it, and she's like, you know what? We should go see a specialist. Like, we should see another specialist about it if it keeps happening for the next couple of weeks. So, yeah. And don't get stressed. Chat, I was on a break. I wasn't stressed at all. Like, I'm moderately stressed, but not like crazy stressed that I'm gonna cry about it. Just like, oh my god, taxes. That's it. So, yeah. Rumi's mom said that she'd take me to another doctor if this keeps happening. Because the bruises are getting to the point where it's like, I have one on my elbow. And that's annoying as fuck. Because I can't rest my arm on my, like, chair. Because it hurts. Like, if I put my arm on top of my chair thing, I can't put it in, like, certain angles. Because not, it'll touch my bruise and it hurts. Fucking... I had to wait. I had to spend 3 days for that. 3! Bruising also can be manifestations of zinc deficiency and B12. Zinc. I think I got a blood test, and the blood test, nothing changed. That's the thing. I remember, like, seeing the exact similar numbers. Unironically, nothing changed. Because I took a blood test, like, a couple of months ago. And then I compared the two, because I keep them. I don't think anything changed. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Did the blood test list all the vitamins? I'm not sure if they're vitamins or not, but they do list, like, scientific-looking words. And they write, like, this is the normal amount and this is your amount. And there are a lot that I'm, like, less... Like, this is... The normal amount is 3. You have 1. Like that. So, I remember those, and it's still the same. I don't know what's going on. So, yeah. We're gonna wait a couple of weeks and I'll update you guys on it. But that's why I said health update is just like a thumbs up. Because nothing changed. I swear to God. I've been taking more things. I've been eating more. And nothing's changed. So, whatever. As long as I'm still alive, we're fine. Talking about staying still alive. Yeah, about my graduation thing, chat, you have my full approval to be as extra as you want. Because I know so many people are like, oh my god, chat, chill. When a VTuber graduates, it's not like they're dying. It's not like they're dead. Okay? They're just graduating. They're not dead. But then I saw a tweet that my artist mama made. And my artist mama is just like, oh my god, my daughter's going to heaven. She's dead. And I thought that was fucking hilarious. So... yeah, you can be as extra as you want. You can be like, oh my god, Mika's dead. She's dying.
I don't know WTF is wrong with this doctor, but he's a real piece of SHT. He probably found his license inside a box of cereals. Please, if it doesn't get better, listen to Rumi's
I
mom
will.
and go see a specialist.
I'm not gonna lie, the bruises aren't that bad. It's just, like, it's getting better recently, but I'm not sure what. Like, I'm not sure what I've been doing. But a lot of my skin right now is just yellow. It's like healing.
Funds towards getting a decent doctor for once. Make sure to take care of yourself, above all, okay?
Thank you. The thing is, this doctor is the doctor I always go to. So if I go to a new one, I have to like maybe ask them for my history because this doctor has all my history. The plus point though is my bruise don't grow on top of each other. That's something that I'm kind of grateful for. Like at least it's not like bruise A is healing and a new bruise on top of it appears. It's like the bruise on my right hand is healing and then suddenly a bruise happens on my left hand. Like that. Death of personality is big deal too, Mika. Oh my god, when I graduate, can you guys just be like, holy shit, Mika went to therapy and... oh my god, she went to therapy and she stopped becoming funny. Rip. I don't really mind. I always thought that like... if you want to be like, oh, she's not dead, she's just graduating, that's fine too. If you want to be extra and be like, oh my god, I can still hear her voice, that's fine too. I don't mind anything. I don't know how to approach graduations.
Mika. Sometimes I still hear her voice.
But
it's terrifying.
Fuck you, Pekov. Went with the 18-wheeler? True. I'm coming up, chat. I'm going up to heaven. Can we actually say that? I guess? If you're not allowed to, then no. Just don't do what you're not allowed to do, Fivehead. Figuring out what that is we'll think about it tomorrow.
And on Numtet
I don't know about all that.
No, don't die IRL too. You're too cute.
Oh my god, baby girl, don't die. You're too hot. Sometimes I can still hear her voice. OMG chat. I can't believe it. Sometimes...
there is no joke, you're actually kinda cute even if you are a goofy little gal, and I hope you get well soon.
Anton Numtats? Are you okay?
Who's taking you hostage? Tell me, what's going on here?
Are you sure it's not correlated to your exposure to resin fumes and resin dust?
Chat, I got a resin... not resin, but the mask you guys told me to get. I will say this one thing though. I've been doing resin very safely now. I have goggles, I have a face mask, and I wear gloves. Everything is safe, everything is secure, but I will tell you, chat, I would probably die of suffocation. I don't know how anyone breathes through that. I always thought that, like, you know in games, when you wear, like, a toxic mask thing, you can hear them breathe, like... you know? You hear, like, Darth Vader. Darth Vader breathes really loud. I always thought it's an over-exaggeration. No. That shit is hard to breathe in. It's like, yeah... this is a mask so you don't breathe in the toxic fumes. Chat, it's a mask so you don't breathe at all. That shit's hard to breathe in. I was dying. The whole time I'm like... it is so difficult. It takes some time to get used to. I've been wearing it every single day for the past...
screamed for $3.
couple of
Please
days.
Take care of yourself, Mika. We love
Thank
you. Heart.
I'm trying my best. I don't think it's the resin... I can't even say no. I have no clue. But if it's the resin thing, then it should stop. Because I am using every protection known to man. Okay, I open my windows when I make resin now. I have a mini desk fan. So the air would blow out of the window. And then I wear a mask. I have gloves. I have goggles. Everything should be safe. So if that's the truth, then I should stop feeling ill very soon. Mika, that's what a mask does. You get used to... That's what the mask for. Why is it so difficult, chat? I have so much respect for people whose job is to wear masks like that. Because damn, you need to get used to that, for real. I thought I'm very used to, like, mask. Because I wear a mask a lot. Like, if I go outside, I still wear face masks and stuff. So I thought I'd get used to it, but... this is a whole new level. Holy!
The socially unsociable Asso screamed for $3.
Thank you, the sociably sociable
Can we
Asso.
beatbox now?
Yeah, please. Feel free. Honestly, when I graduate, just start beatboxing. Fuck it, chat. Chat, I'm dying. Stop beatboxing. But yeah, I'm probably gonna... Maybe I'll stream earlier. I'll make the waiting rooms once I ask Enna for the time. If not, then I'll just make the waiting room for the collab first. But I might do an early stream tomorrow. And then I have another stream at 1 in the morning. And then another one after. So, yippee! I have a lot of things happening. So yeah, we are kind of back to streaming now. No more 3-day break. I took the health thing and now I'm good. But until then, chat! Don't forget to check out Ollie. She's an amazing person. One of my dearest friends. And honestly, one of the nicest people I've ever met. So, you should check her out. She's very sweet. She's like me, if I was nicer. And smarter. And cooler. And more energetic. She's nothing like me. Oh my god, chat, me and Ollie, like, we're so similar. Like, we're like the same. Only she's like...
Anton Numtet screamed for
You
$3.
have friends?
Hey Miku, I just saw someone say that if you're turned on by dirty talk, does that mean your arousal is voice activated?
Shut the fuck up. Enna's live? Okay, yeah, we're gonna raid Enna. Oh wait, actually that's a perfect chance for me. We're gonna raid Enna. That way she's going to remember about the fact that we haven't planned shit. Alright. Don't remind her of this, okay? Don't bother her stream. I'll DM her and she'll check it after stream probably. I'm gonna redirect you guys to Enna. Say hello to her. Hope she has a great time. But until Jin chat, I'll see you in a couple of hours for sure, for sure.
Lotus
Thank you,
screamed for
Lotus!
$3.
As well!
I can tell you it's not the resin. While prolonged contact with your skin can cause acute contact dermatitis,
1,36
that takes the
dari
form of an
Papiliomer,
itchy rash and
pesan
not a
Nick
bruise.
kemarin tanggal 7
Feel
aku
better
ultah
soon,
minta
my
happy
Osi
birthday
Humpty
boleh
Dumpty.
GK.
Oh, thank you, Papiliomer! It's your birthday! Happy birthday, Papiliomer!
Malek_Deneth screamed for
Happy
$3.
birthday, babe.
Miku, is we have Ollie at home.
Because then we have Ollie. Shut the fuck up, Malik. You know what? I miss you guys so much. You guys are so nice to me. Wow. Oh my god, stop. You guys are so, like, nice. And you guys are, like, so obsessed with me. It's crazy.
Happy birthday, Papilio Bear! I hope you had a great birthday. I hope you went outside, eat some nice cake, enjoy some nice food. Holy shit! I hope you celebrated coolly. I hope you had a fun time.
No way. We missed your birthday. No way. No way. Anyways, chat. I'm gonna be redirecting you guys to Enna. But I will see you guys super soon. Just like tomorrow, basically.
But until then, thank you so much for coming to today's collab stream with Ollie. Don't forget to eat, sleep, drink, and take care of yourself. Terima kasih untuk stream kami hari ini. Jangan lupa untuk makan, minum, tidur, dan jaga kesehatan sendiri. Kita kudete hontoni. Arigatou!
And I'll see you guys like tomorrow. If we don't do free chat, we're gonna play Lethal Company. I don't know anything about the game, by the way. I got invited to play it. I didn't know nothing, and they literally told me, word per word, it's better if you don't know of anything about the game. So let's just hope it's not too scary. Because it doesn't look that scary. It looks like Hand Simulator, so I think we'll be fine.
Anyways, I'm gonna yeet you guys to Enna now.
While I do it, I'm going to start singing a song from one of my favorite songs.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with her feet.